Happy holidays, y'all. Welcome back to another POV. Oh, okay. Starting off strong in the middle of the road. Way to go, bozo. Welcome to another POV, man. I hope y'all had a great time and great holidays with your family. I sure did enjoy my Christmas, so I hope y'all did as well. But we are currently headed to go get some food, some Chick-fil-A, because your boy is hungry. I kind of want to be a butthole, and I think I am going to be a butthole, going to get some Chick-fil-A. I got everything I wanted for Christmas. Hope y'all got everything y'all wanted, and if y'all didn't, guess what? Go to work hard, and you can have everything you want. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, tell y'all happy holidays. We are going shopping. I know it's about to be a lot of traffic out here and a lot of stuff going on, but it's cool. We're gonna deal with it. But I'll turn the camera back on when we get to the Chick-fil-A. And I also, y'all remember my In Performance tire cap that got stolen? I need to go to that tire shop to see if they got it, because boy, I need that back. I paid for that. I need that. All right, y'all, we just had to wait in this line. Look at the line, bro. We had to wait in this line for the longest time, but we finally got to Chick-fil-A, and we about to go shopping. We have just finished eating our Chick-fil-A. It was very yummy, very good, very desirable. We are headed to this tire shop right now to see if they have my cap. And I'm low-key gonna be mad if they don't, because that means I'm gonna have to buy literally a whole new set of caps, because boy, oh, man, y'all know when y'all eat so much, y'all just be feeling like bloated and full, bro. But I had ate. That was my first time eating today, and it's literally 1 o'clock. This is normal for me, but I usually don't finish all my food, and then I finished all that food, and boy, does my tummy hurt. But it's cool. It's freaking cool. I'm hoping these folks got my freaking cap, bro. I know it's like something so little, and like I could just put another one on there, but I need my cap, like my In Performance cap, bro. Those things for a set of 4 is $35, bro. It's not cheap. Anyway, y'all, we about to pull up here in about 5 minutes. So let's see if they got it. Cross your fingers right now. They have it, they have it, they have it. Look at this. Your boy got his tire cap back. We're back in action. We just pulled up to the store, so I'm about to go in here, and then I'll tap back in with y'all in just a little bit. Didn't do much driving. We didn't do too much of nothing, but I do want to get all this, hold on. Chill. Yeah. Got that thing over you, twin. We got 5 minutes, y'all, to make it happen. This is not very high pressure rinse. I'm just trying to get all the tape residue off, though. This thing is really foaming. We're only doing the windows, y'all. Don't worry, I know better. Y'all see them soap marks? That's what I'm hoping comes out. Oh, the sensor's gonna go off. The sensor's gonna go off. Oh! Oh! All right, well, stop. Hey, Max. Headlights. Ah, nice. My very companion cleaned that up for me. All right, all windows are clean. I could have did the tires too, but too lazy. And I got all that tape mark off the windshield, or off the window. That was the main goal anyway, so majority I got done that I wanted to get done. Oh, brother. I was gonna slide out of here, y'all, but too many cars now. If I would've waited, I still could've, but whoa, guys. Here we go.
This car and traction off is like probably the best combination. Oh, all the water's coming up from the hood. I was wondering why I was still getting wet. That makes sense now. Makes sense.
I'll show you when we get there. Oh.
Freak. Oh, I know, like there's somewhere right here. I know where I'm at, but you good. Sorry, I didn't vlog much today. Wasn't really much going on to vlog. I'm being honest with y'all. Tires are cooked. That four-wheel drive back on, traction control back on. Oh! Well, y'all, tires are for sure cooked. 100% now. Like, they were cooked before, but now, like, they're definitely good, bro. Definitely good. Alright, y'all. This is a continuance vlog. I'm currently at BMW to see if they got a tire. But I don't know. Yo, that X5 is hard, bro. Like the 2025 is what made me want an X5. That X5 is so freaking hard. Like, bro, imagine that in an M5 back to back. Oh my goodness, that thing is crazy hard. And then you got the Isle of Man the Green Snake Eyes 2024 M4 Comp. That thing just looks so good too. Oh, he got laser jammers installed. Y'all see him in the front grill? Y'all probably can't see him because my fat finger. That thing's hard. I'll get the M3 though, not the M5. All right, y'all, so we are currently headed an hour and 19 minutes to get a freaking tire because, bro, I just went to BMW and they talking about, yeah, we don't have it, but we can get it on Monday. I don't have it till Monday, gang. I need it today. My tires are dead. I need it today. Yeah, I'm gonna go get them mounted and everything too, so that's gonna be fun. I did a whole, hey, my tires are so bad that like I slide in four-wheel drive. Like four-wheel drive sport, I'm sliding. Not gonna lie. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I'm about to get this tire from this dude and everything will be straight. Everything will be gravy. And that's it. It's a green light. Go. What are you doing? Like, why are you just sitting there? I didn't know it was a Whataburger right here. Oh my goodness, bro. So everybody just gonna act like a bunch of bozos. Yes, sir. Well, let's go ahead, guys. Let's go get this tire. This car is really achieving another state because this tire's in another state. So, yeah, it's all right though. I ain't too much tripping. As long as I get back before traffic, which is usually around like 5 o'clock, I ain't gonna be mad. That's a 1M clone? Hard? But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go get a new tire. I'm not gonna bore y'all with too much, so I'll cut the camera back on and I'm driving. Charlotte, North Carolina. In that Charlotte day. I probably should message the dude about the tires. And y'all always see me go pick up tires. Ha! We the tire picker-uppers, guys. I gotta go get cash too, because Brody was like, I don't have cash flow.
Oh, how about? Okay, alright. Because usually I prefer cash out. I want to hear that car. Oh, I need to do that U-turn. What the heck? Come on, let's go. Oh. Hey, my tires are so garbed. Can I make it in front of this truck? I cannot. Wait, can I? No. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, y'all hear them birds. Should we try to slide this? I am from around here. Hey, I gotta drive a little bit more. I ain't never been from around here. I could have slid that though. I feel like we could have did it, guys. Let's turn that traction back on. I do know that. I never slid a whole ramp before, obviously. Sorry guys if I let you down. There's no car coming, you freaking bozo. Nice. Very nice. Let's see what this guy just said. Okay, I'll be in the red Chevrolet Silverado, gray BMW. Gray BMW. When I'm out of town, I'm like, oh, is that the sheriff? I should probably stop at this QT so I can get cash. Where my wallet? Oh, it's right there. Oh. Yes, sirski. Yeah, I'm gonna stop at this QT. I ain't gonna lie. So I can get cash. Oh, stop, bro. I'm like nervous, bro. I'm nervous. Let's go ahead. Let's go to the ATM though. Why is she wearing them heels? Hey, she look like childish. All right, I'm not talking about her. Like, I'm just saying, like, yeah, it's something like my nieces put on. All right, y'all, I'm about to run in here and grab cash. I shall return. BRB, guys. All right, guys, I have got the money out the ATM. It's in my pocket. In my pocket, mate. Hey, like I said, bro, like I told y'all before, meeting people off Facebook Marketplace is very dangerous. If you have somebody go with you, cool. If you don't, well, kind of is what it is. People will like shoot people over $100, $2, $3. Like, so it's just cool to have people with you. This dude said he's at the Sonic or something. He got a fire. Dang, that's crazy. See, that's how I want to be. Y'all see how they had an RV outside their house while it was being built? That's how I will be too. Making sure ain't nobody getting over on me. Only I get over on people. Speaking of getting over, I'm about to try to get over on this dude. I'm just telling him like, yeah, bro, I don't really like the tire, bro. It ain't doing enough. Shit, bro, like, this ain't good. I don't know, I'm gonna just try to finesse it. Come on, bro. That's what I hate. Just be in the way. Oh man. He said he over here about a Sonic and a red Silverado, so look and see. Let's see this tire real quick. Oh, how you doing, man? Let me see this tire. Oh, damn, it's pretty good. Ain't got no patches or plugs or nothing?
That's it.
285, 35, 20. All right, that's a bet. Oh, you another 20 real quick. Hold on. You ain't got, you sure you don't have Cash App or nothing, bro? I was gonna finesse him. We'll be all right. There you go, bro. Appreciate you, man. Take care.
All right, man. You too.
Thank you.
Let me know if I can help you in the future.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, I need tires all the time, so.
Okay.
I've been running these tires. They kind of bad, and I got another tire in here already, so I'm just about to pair them two up.
That size?
Yeah, 285, and I was about to go buy a brand new one from BMW, so I mean this would do good.
Yeah.
Hopefully everything
like
good with it.
$400 tire.
Yeah, 415.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's straight. All right, appreciate it, man.
Right,
take care.
Take it easy.
You too. All right, y'all. We got us a good little tire. I think everything's straight with it. These would be great. Let's see how long they last on the M5. All right, y'all. Good over here. Yes, Sirski. New tire, boys. Yeah, Sirski. Now, let's make our ride home. Y'all see the look? Ooh, we got some grip on the front. Everybody has some grip on the back, y'all. Look at these tires, bro. Can I show y'all? Hold on. Look at these boys. Like, they're fingernails deep, bro. Like, that's it. I can fit the edge of my fingernails in there. Let's go. Oh, man. My bad, y'all. So, we do have our tires. All right, y'all. We have a hour and 43-minute drive back. Hopefully, it is not raining because, boy, that will not be good at all. I will not be all be good. Oh, dispensary. Maybe I'll get some weed. No, I'm kidding. Y'all know I don't smoke. But we are headed back. Probably not gonna have enough time to get this mounted. We're probably not gonna have enough time. Might as well slide out of here. It'll be all right. Oh shoot! Second gear, or should we take it slow or fast? Sorry, y'all. Probably like, what the hell? We got new tires now, so we can. Oh, I think that's a cop. Oh no, there it is. What'd I tell y'all? Police. Ha! Didn't catch me. But we probably ain't gonna have enough time to mount these tires today. Why was my car? Did y'all peep how my car just crab walked? Why did it crab walk? Y'all probably couldn't see because I was leaning up on a wheel like this and jumped, but yeah, it crab walked. Tired. All right, I need to stop burning. I need to still make it back 2 hours before I get these tires mounted. So with that being said, man, we do have new tires on. Sorry this video was up super late today, but tomorrow it'll be up earlier.